guys, welcome back. Today's vlog is the Mui Ne vlog. We actually got here this morning. It's about 11:30 now and we left Dalat this morning. We've been on a sleeper bus. That sleeper bus was interesting. It was rocky to say the least. I'll insert some videos now. Look out the fucking window.
This is what it's been like the whole way.
Guys. But like genuinely, I thought I was gonna fall out of my bed like 10 times. But we made it and it actually dropped us straight to our hotel, which was banging. We're actually staying at Sunlight Villa and we have a pool. We can't check in until 2 o'clock, so we've just put our bags over here and we're just gonna spend the day at the pool. And then we need to book the Sand Dune tour for tomorrow. We think we're gonna do it for sunrise, so it's like 4:30 AM you have to start, and you can do it in jeeps, which is really cool. So I'm now gonna get in the pool with the others because it's boiling hot. But we'll update you on how the day goes. Go for it. Oh, okay. Stop faffing about, come on. Okay, are you showing off? Look at you both in your cute bikinis. I thought so, but I jumped over so I wouldn't know. Did you hit the bottom? Hmm? Did you hit the bottom?
No, but they were. You will hit one.
Anne and Erin have their local food, and we got
losers are over there.
And we got our
kids are here
our Greek, and it honestly looks unreal, doesn't it? Yeah. Look at that, and we've also got pizza as well. So we're gonna and dips. We're gonna tuck in. And we've been in the pool, and I'm just gonna sit in the sun. I wanna try and get my tan on a little bit, but I'm gonna have my lunch first. We are just going to try and book this tour, but I'm going to WhatsApp them now. So hopefully we have space for tomorrow's one at 4:30 AM, hopefully. We've been playing a stone game where Katie throws the stones in and we all have to find them. And it's been really fun, hasn't it? Have you? I feel like but it's been really fun, so. So we have just come for dinner. Oh, we think we found a little vegan place. We've just come up for dinner. I've got my little top on that I bought in Korean, and yeah, we just come out for dinner, and we found like a little bit of a food court, so it's like lots of different places, and we're actually, I don't know if you can hear it or see it, but we're right by the sea. I'm not sure if this is the beach they were on about earlier. It's not really a beach, it's more just the sea. But yeah, this one has like lots of different things. They have like pizza, they have vegan stuff, they have Mexican, lots to eat. I was really hoping the carbonara place was open, but it wasn't. But we got past pizza still, so everyone's got their little pizzas nearly. Well,
my pizza.
Everyone's very happy with it. Meg and Han say that they taste good, so I'm gonna tuck into mine. But good morning. It's 4:30 and we are. Oh, it's very misty. And we are going on our cheap sunrise Sand Dune tour thing. So yeah, I can't believe we're actually awake. What is happening? My camera's fogging up from the humidity. Yeah, we're all in here. Erin's in the back, Erin's in the back, JB's in the back, Katie's in the front, and yeah, we're going to enjoy our little Sand Dune tour. I didn't say you were here at the start.
You're just ignoring us.
Yeah, same time. Yeah, so we can enjoy our little tour and we'll let you know what it's like. We have just got to the white sand dunes. Our guide is up ahead, and yeah, we just got here. It's now 5 AM, so it's about a half-hour journey, and me and Han tried to have a little nap because yeah, we're very tired. We've just booked our quad bike, so it's 800,000 to drive yourself, or it's 300,000 to have a driver. So we've opted for having a driver because also they'll take us where is good. So yeah, we're all just waiting to do that now. And there's like all over here. I'm excited, are you? At the top we got driven up, didn't we, by our little ATVs. That was mad. That was, yeah, that won't be up. But already the sunrise is just beautiful. And this is where you do the sand sliding as well, so we'll do that in a bit. But it's literally stunning. This is Beck and JB. Hey! You have to pull yourself back up on this rope.
Everyone doing it?
I've got 15.
Oh, perfect.
But yeah, I'm literally mad. But yeah, all the quad bikes come up. It's got so much light already. It's crazy.
Love Chels.
Oh, okay. Oh.
I can film. Sure?
Okay.
Meg got so far, but Hannah's only there.
역시 달라. 잘 무섭대로 잘 가지.
아니 저 어디 무거워서 가는 거예요.
지현이랑 가다가 멈추면
무거워서 가는 거야.
저 사람도 봐.
welcome there.
We just did it so many times. It's so hard walking back up in it. Meg's exhausted, so am I.
I am as well.
But still looks unreal. And it's 50k to sand slide, but you can do it as many times as you want, which I think is quite good. The sky has turned even prettier over there. Me and Meg just went down again, and now the sun is like so pretty. Literally looks unreal. There's quite a lot of different people that get taken to different dunes, don't they? Because there's people over there and people over there, which is nice. We now got dropped off on our little jeep. That jeep bit was crazy. It was so fun. And now we're just at this little bit of a lake. But the sun is still there. She's still rising.
My only suggestion, if you are doing this, do what we did. Do not bring trainers, bring your TVs, and also consider the fact you are going to be finding sand everywhere for probably months.
Yeah, my camera right now is covered in sand.
Everything's covered in sand.
I think there's sand in every crevice of me.
There is sand in places that sand should not be.
But it's really fun. And keep in mind that you basically have to do the quad bikes.
Yeah.
Like, but it's worth it. But it's worth it.
Absolutely.
So fun. And I don't feel that tired anymore. You don't look like...
coming in waves. Yeah, I was going to say. Like on the quad bike, I was like, woo! And now I'm stood here, yeah.
We're all back in our little jeep. We're just waiting for JB. He's missing, isn't he? Missing in action. But we're back in our little jeep, and it was really good. It was really fun. And
I'm covered in sand.
Yeah, I'm covered in sand. But keep in mind, you do need cash for like the ATVs and the sand slide. But I thought the sand slide was alright because you got as many goes as you wanted. I think I did it like 3 times. You did it loads.
Yeah, I think like 10 times.
But that was 50k, and then the ATVs were 300,000. So yeah, not too bad. And now we're gonna go, I think we've got the ferry stream and the fishing village maybe, but we might ask if we can now do the fishing village. We just took some photos on top of the jeep, and now we're going to the next place. So yeah, but yeah, now we're back in the jeep and we just took some photos. We have just got to our next stop, which is the red sand dunes. So I guess it's different sand? Yeah, but yeah, so we're gonna walk up this. No ATV this time. But you can slide here too, so. We've just come to the fishing village. I'm not gonna lie, there's quite a lot of rubbish down there and stuff. Don't think this is the prime location on the tour, but yeah, we have come to see it. So.
And the boats over there.
The boats over there are pretty, yeah. We've just come to the little ferry stream. So like I've just copied exactly what Meg's just said in her vlog. It's always quite funny because we're both like vlogging, and then it's like TikTok vlog versus YouTube vlog. I should put Meg's TikTok in the description box because I feel like if you like me, you probably will like Meg. So. But yeah, we're just at this ferry stream. But
We don't know what
we don't really know what it is. But I thought I've seen those other people's tour guides that come with them, and they like take you round the stream. Whereas we've just been let loose for 40 minutes. Hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on a sec.
meow.
Is there all these animals in the stream? But yeah. So also, I would say it's a good idea not to wear trainers because you like are walking through a stream basically. And we've now got to this little bit that's all like sandy still. But yeah, still walking along. I'm not really sure what we're walking to, but yeah, so we're just keeping going. We made it. We made it to the waterfall. How long was the walk?
10 minutes.
10-15 minutes? But yeah, we made it. It does look quite cool to be fair, so. Oh, you think it's we've come for lunch at the same place we came for dinner because the place was open that does carbonara. I haven't had a carbonara since I've been veggie, and this is vegetarian carbonara. And
Also, can I just say, it's 10 past 9 in the morning. 10 past 9.
But like this
is our lunch.
This looks unreal. Like I actually can't wait. Hannah had pesto pasta. I tried some. It was incredible. So yes. So we're all back from our lunch and our tour, and we showered and packed up and had a little nap in the sun, and now we're on our sleeper bus, like just, well, it's a sleeper bus, but it's like a day bus to Ho Chi Minh. So it's going to be about 3 hours. We actually ended up getting picked up from our hotel, which was really good. So yeah, the bus company like messaged me this morning being like, do you want to be picked up? And it was like 25 minutes the stop from our hotel normally, so this is like a massive lifesaver because then we can just get on the bus. I'm going to catch some sleep. Also, I will say this sleep mask with the thing has been the best thing on all these buses. I literally wouldn't have slept without them. So yeah, I'm gonna now catch some sleep. I'm ready for Ho Chi Minh. I'm really excited for Ho Chi Minh. I'm really sad though it's our last stop in Vietnam. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this little Mui Ne vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.